Do you have a plan to visit Malacca? Or plan for a food trip? Why not trying the great dish of Malacca, where you can experience it in the most unique way, which is chicken rice ball. Come on, let's get to know this exquisite chicken rice ball. Did you know this dish is originally a Hainanese chicken rice? So, how it got this round shape? The story goes, about 50 years ago, a young woman from the southern town of Muar and a Malaccan fisherman married each other. One day, when the fisherman tried to pursue a catch into Indonesian waters, he was detained in jail. While the fisherman was detained in Indonesian jail for months, his wife labored to feed their child. So she decided to peddle Hainanese chicken rice at Malacca's main jetty. Every morning, she prepared rice and chicken at home, and then carried the food in 2 different containers hung from either end of a kandar to sell it at busy dock. Her customers are mostly workers at the dock whose time is limited due to workload. Time was precious and food had to be eaten in a short period of time. As the story goes, the housewife figured that the workers would be willing to buy her chicken rice if it were easier to handle, and so she began rolling the rice with shredded chicken into close-packed tiny bowl and wrapped with a banana leaf so that the workers could handle the rice easily and carry it around. That is how the chicken rice balls were born. That was creative, right? Don't you find it interesting on how it is originated? Now you only have one thing to do: taste this unique dish.